Welcome back to the homestead. Tom and Tammy's Off Grid Homestead. We get a lot going on the homestead. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Here we're going to disconnect our recently installed backhoe attachment. This will be the first time performing this operation. Here I'm removing the quick disconnect fittings. It's a simple operation. You just have to make sure that everything is lined up in order to get it to release. Once I get this all lined up, it pops right off. Tammy points out here, we got to make sure that the fittings are pointed down. And then again, she's mentioning the goats. The goats will eat just about, or try to eat just about anything. You can see here I'm trying to get this fitting. There's a keyway or a slot that you have to line up. There you go. Backhoe's detached. I put the skid steer in high and I've sped up the film. We're going to reattach our forks. From the other day, you remember when we attached the backhoe attachment for the first time, it was a little stiff. So here I bring a mallet with me. Not needed.
No, we don't need a BFH.
I think it's called an LFH.
BFH, big.
I know it is, yeah, but that's not big.
So on the homestead we have a high clay content in the soil, and if you've ever worked with clay for like making pots, and once it dries out it gets hard as a rock. The soil here gets hard as a rock. You can see here I'm breaking it up by hitting it with that mallet. It comes off in big pieces.
Yep. We can't even go through it. Looks good.
The other day I didn't have the patience to wait for this attachment. Don't use a mallet to tighten your screws. So I tighten these screws down, and then I also chain this attachment back to the skid steer forks.
So the other day we were moving our wood chipper, and in that video we didn't have this attachment for our skid steer. Well, we finally acquired it, and we're going to move our chipper, and we're going to move our dump trailer, and we need to get our dump trailer attached to the back of our F350.
You can see the chains. That's so the attachment can't slip forward. By using the skid steer and this attachment, we'll be able to pivot into tighter areas that the truck cannot get into, or it's difficult.
right here because I would like the wood chip. I want to do the wood chips. I want to put them over there instead of putting on this hill. I would just stick it right here so when we're milling, we just chip it. I'd stick it right here. Come on, Poseidon. Poseidon, come here. Is it, we're gonna park it right here?
Huh?
It looks like a,
More?
yeah, move it down more, a little bit more, cause,
More?
yeah, cause see the wood chips? It'll go right there if you move it down. 1 foot, 1 foot, not 5. That's good. Try and do this one-handed. You can bring it down now. Good job, babe. That looks good. You're gonna bring the truck up this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it that way because I don't want the road torn up. Alrighty.